from Milwaukee. This is today's TMJ4, live at 6.
And new at 6, curing crime. Milwaukee's health department taking a new approach to cutting down on violence in the city. City health officials are thinking about violence like a virus. Instead of vaccines, they're implementing new programs to prevent violence. Good evening, I'm Charles Benson.
And I'm Shannon Sims. Julia Fellow shows us how they're starting in the most violent parts of our city. Julia.
Just like preventing a disease, Charles and Shannon, the new director of violence prevention is using data, but this time from police. And this new aggressive approach seems to be working.
I think the most painful probably experience on the job so far was attending the wake of Zalea Jenkins and seeing, such a young person in a casket.
Another jolt of reality for Reggie Moore, the new director of violence prevention, was witnessing the first 36 hours of unrest in the Sherman Park neighborhood.
I feel personally accountable for every life in this city.
Born and raised in Milwaukee, Moore is finding his footing at the health department.
Everything that I've gone through in my life preparing me for this role.
Studying police data.
There are definitely hot spots that are prioritized.
To bring down assaults, shootings, and murders. He's starting by looking at what's worked in other parts of our country.
If someone found a cure for a particular disease in another city, I think we would be sorely malfeasant to not attempt to employ it here.
One of those ideas was taken straight out of Chicago and brought here to our Franklin Heights neighborhood. It's called Safe Zones, and currently there's 15 trained ambassadors.
From 2014 to 2015, Franklin Heights saw a 150% increase in homicides and non-fatal shootings.
He is waiting to see the impact from hiring people to intervene in conflicts. The hope is to expand it in 2017 and beyond. He knows any approach will take not just his 5-person department to complete, but our entire city.
Every loss of a life in our mind we count as a failure.
Another initiative that Moore has just started is called Beyond the Bell. It has 40 different organizations in our area that's already started working together to create after-school programs for our students. Reporting live downtown, Julia Fellow, today's TMJ4.
All right, Julia, thank you.